Alright, so the another phase of the plan we're in motion. Where the receipt? It's already in motion, you see me? He's a brother in a life show people my plans. You know what I mean? Before me put them in a motion. But receipt. So I just buy some seeds and them thing there. Um so and fertilizer. Some seed and fertilizer. Some what you call it? Tomato, sweet pepper, um all of them things. So right over here, so next time I show you, it a go weed up. Because yes I go plant. All of this I go plant up. I don't have to worry about water. Because right next to it, when you come from a country, they don't know about tank. You see me? Yeah man, sitting there hurricane, it kinda mash you, but it still work. The gentleman we are go weed up the thing, in my circle Monday. Forget all of that, so weed up and plant up the seed them. If you plant there. My daddy already get him to do some work. I think. Some yam hill where my daddy want well it look like him plant already. Some yam where him plant. I see him have some other yam down there so. This is update we got the pepper them here so. And then we got cucumber. But you see them when they show when I pack. Cucumber them do what them do, you see me? Them are the first one to take off. So we are gonna have cucumber. They plant some sorrel and them thing there over there so. The only two sitting them will never come up. I did my name, the lettuce and the tomato. Maybe at the time when we plant them or where them seed they just dip on some bullshit. The cabbage also. The cabbage them so in a couple of months I got a dirty worm start name them and sitting them and they have cabbage so they might get crazy now and rain fall and them things so that even make the thing better. I remember last time I showed them they might move, you know. But we have some worm issue now. We have to go get some insecticide or something. Possibly something natural to get rid of the worm activity. You have to put something around it. They want to shoot up, man. Me see, like I feel them like a spot this. Yeah, me see like it like some of them are burn up. Mm-hmm. Them are put out fruit already. Yeah. Things say tomato them never did that come then just did that take time. Okay. That did that go on. Yeah, go on man. Tomato right there so pepper yeah so cabbage. Got them here. Cucumber. Tea fruit them here. And right there so peanut tree them here no people. Peanut man. It's all good man. Lettuce. The tomato them we think never did a go. Push. Actually a push. Oh! Scratch and then grow there so. And a good tomato these people are not the regular salad tomato. These are the one you put in a sandwich. The good shit. Cause them the one them I like. Remember last time I showed you the cabbage them and them something. So I get some fungicide and them something there. To get rid of the pests so the crops can like grow properly and beautifully. I would really love to have done it a more natural. I'm pretty sure if I had done research, I would could have found some more natural way for sort it out. But until then, get this thing what them call clear way. Progress update, man. Sun kind of hot, you know. A middle day, me there, so then kind of, you know, the plants them quail up under heavy sun. But we have a tomato there, so. See, tomato them, we think never does it. Lettuce, lettuce, pepper right there, so. Everything will come in nice, man. Thing what did that piss me off is the fact that where my bite the cabbage them. But I get something for that today, let me show you. No? So that shouldn't be an issue anymore. All I look is sitting them tomato and all like that, you know? Pepper, 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 pepper. Yeah man, beautiful. Everything is coming in nice. And the rain what we get, that really help, you know. See them tomato they over there so sturdy and strong. Pepper tree, tomato, tomato. So when you come here so again, things supposed to up. We have some little pepper them here so as they get bigger, me that they move them out. Progress update on the cucumber them. They might get big in no time. Eh? Couple more weeks and they look like we can have cucumber. Yeah man, cucumber I run man. And I push out. Whole heap of cucumber. That they have him sorry so. They may have the bigger um one them, the bigger. See that they put ashes on it. And when you put ashes on them, it helps kind of ward off the pest them. But they still are itty. But them are gonna get spray up now, and that's supposed to save them from the pests and nice beautiful cabbage head where we are gonna have. You know? Soon as them get spray. See what I go on man? Hmm? Trees that grow. Lettuce. Pepper tree them I get sturdy and you know, sitting cabbage them live. Gentlemen. Barista said them are ready for picking. Jaja. Ready up. I got the big hole on them over there. Worm them I get crazy pan. Youths, farming is the way, you know. In a matter of months. Look here, cucumber in hand. It is amazing, brother. It's amazing. We just got to check the timeline. On a March, around March, them get planted. Maybe even early April, they get planted. See? Yeah, early April. And within April, May, within 2 months, see? You have cucumber here, so ready for eat. Within 2 months. And the cabbage them are grow. Give the cabbage them some more time, the tomato them some more time, pepper some more time. But within 2 months, you can reap from your plantings. Eh? Yeah, man, a farming, I think, brother. In the ground again. So I like sitting them tree here, them come up so nicely, you know. Tomatoes, trees them, and my type of tomato them, you know. Yeah, man, the kind you put on sandwiches. So we have fruit already popping out. You got fruit popping out, man. It's beautiful. Pepper tree them. Pepper tree them are coming, you know. Sweet pepper them. They're coming along just fine. All in all, people, this farming thing has been quite a learning experience. I understand now, say, oh, with the worm thing, you have to take care of it from early. My daddy was telling me that these can still turn out to be great cabbages, you know, so I'm not too afraid. But it was a learning experience, and for the next time now, we know what not to do and what to do. And we understand, say, oh, some of the seeds, them are gonna probably take a longer time to come up, so I just patience do it, you know.
And we can go bigger and plant a bigger section. But I understand it now, or I'm understanding it as I go. And to the youths them out there, farming is the way, brother. If you know nothing else to do right now and you want to take on something, the investment is very small. You pay like $100 a pack to get some seeds. You plant them round the back, water them, wait, and you can have fruit and food for your family. Farming is the way. Farming food, people are gonna always need that. Remember me telling you. So until my next little farming project, I gear up to that soon. This K2K, you think it, you believe it, and you live to achieve it.